Most mattresses treat your spine like a flat piece of plywood. That is exactly why your lower back feels like a giant, aching question mark every single morning. This specific lumbar-focused hybrid has been making massive waves lately because it claims to solve that exact problem with a complicated 9-layer system. I spent a lot of time digging into the independent lab data to see if it actually lives up to the hype, or if it is just fancy marketing. It turns out that when you test this thing against over 100 other brands, it actually lands in the top 20% of all hybrids. That is a heavy-hitting stat for any bed. It uses a 7-zone system that targets your lumbar area specifically. Think of it as a surface that knows your hips need a different level of support than your shoulders. Most beds just treat your whole body as one heavy lump. This one is different. It even has a weight response design. That means if you are a lighter person or a heavier person, the springs react differently to your body. It is pretty clever engineering for something you just lie down on to sleep. The cooling features actually hold their own too. They use graphite-infused latex and an ice silk cover along with a coil system that lets air flow through the core. Most memory foam feels like a giant heat trap that leaves you sweating by midnight. This one stays surprisingly chilly throughout the night. Now, here is where things get a bit more complicated for certain types of sleepers. If you sleep on your back or your stomach, this thing is probably a dream. It gives you that firm, lifted feeling where your spine stays perfectly straight. But if you are a strict side sleeper, you might want to look elsewhere. Labs found that for people who sleep on their side, especially if they are on the lighter side, the mattress pushes back too hard. Instead of cradling your curves, it can actually knock your spine out of alignment and cause new pains. There's another weird oversight for such a premium bed. The cover is not removable. If you spill your morning coffee or just want to keep things fresh, you are stuck with spot cleaning only. That feels like a massive mess for something that costs this much money. But the biggest revelation came from the off-gassing test. The marketing claims there is zero smell. They say it is clean and ready to go right out of the box. Independent sensors told a completely different story. In the initial round of testing, it took 27 days for the chemical smell to fully dissipate. That is nearly a month. Even after a retest with a newer unit, it still took 2 weeks. That is double the industry average for a mattress. If you have a sensitive nose or any chemical sensitivities, that is a huge factor to consider. You would need to leave this thing in a spare room with the windows open for half a month before you could actually sleep on it comfortably. It is a classic case of the marketing department being a little too optimistic compared to what the scientists are seeing in the lab. So, the bottom line is pretty clear. If you struggle with lower back pain and you stay on your back all night, the support here is world class. It is firm, it is cool, and it really works for that specific posture. Just be prepared for a long airing out period and do not buy it if you prefer sleeping on your side. You have to weigh that incredible lumbar support against the reality of a 2-week smell and a cover you can never toss in the wash. It is all about knowing which trade-offs you can live with when it comes to your sleep.